Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE dashcam. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. Firstly, take a look at the original box. On the top we've got the image of our device. And on the bottom of the box we can find some specification of the dashcam. 5.2K 30 FPS dual lens, Sony Starvis, HDR, IPS touchscreen, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS lagger, smart buffered parking mode, magnetic assist mount, supercapacitor and 4G LTE support optional. Also, you can find 2 QR codes for Facebook and VANTRUE app and some images. On the side of the box we can find QR codes for dedicated app. Now let's open the original box. Firstly, we can find the smaller box with necessary cables, mounts and adapters. Dashcam itself, and again mount. In the end, we can find warranty, quick user guide, fabric for cleaning, sticker, and that's basically it. Let's take a look at the camera itself. Right here we've got the connection for rear camera, display, inside camera, record, power button, reset hole, microphone, SD card slot, serial number, and mount for holder. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.